Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. Before the actual vlog starts, I just wanted to come on here and just talk to you guys for a quick minute. So everyone's probably heard the horrific news about Russia invading Ukraine, and it's super sad. Like, so many innocent people have been killed, and like innocent children and families, and it's honestly so heartbreaking to even think about it. And I feel so helpless, and I wish there was more we could do. But I have done a little bit of research, and I found a few organizations that you guys can donate to help Ukraine. They've got ones focusing on saving the children, ones focusing on medical care and just like food, water, everything like that. So I'll have them all listed in the description. So if you can, it would be such a massive help if we all could just donate just a little bit, or a lot if you have the resources for that. And if you don't, then just share it with your friends and family. Encourage anyone to donate what they can. I just wanted to get that out there. And also, I know this is not on the same level, but all of the floods in Queensland and northern New South Wales also, I've been seeing it all over the social media and the news, and it's just devastating what's going on around the world. So if you do want to donate to the organizations and volunteers that are working to rescue people and all that, I'll link that website below as well. So I just wanted to get that out there before we start this episode, and this episode will be a bit of a different one as well. As you guys probably know, I did lose most of my main camera footage, so yeah, it's gonna be a different vlog to usual, but I hope you guys enjoy it anyway. Sending my love to everyone out there. Oh my god, we are in Shark Bay, close to Monkey Maya. We got here today, and this will be maybe our first like proper sunset in Western Australia, because we haven't actually set out with a good sunset yet. We're not even on Shell Beach, and it's already like pretty much just shells. We made it to Shell Beach, guys. It's literally all just shell. That's insane. Last night went well. It was really windy though. We drove to Monkey Maya, which is where they do the dolphin feeding, but we're not interested in the dolphin feeding because we did it in Rainbow Beach, Tinkan Bay. Yeah, we want to see them naturally, and we wanted to just check out Monkey Maya like beach area, see what all the hype was about. But turns out you have to pay $15 per person just to like get to the beach and have a walk around. So we're gonna wait for tomorrow, maybe when it's a bit of a clear day and we've got more of the day left. But right now we're just trying to walk down, check the coastline out. We checked out the little lagoon earlier, which looked really nice, but because it was so cloudy, we didn't really fancy a swim, and they had the warning for the stonefish, so we might go back on a clear day. It does look really cool from above, I reckon. But yeah, now we're just exploring the wilderness here. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe that we managed to see the baby dolphins.
Yeah.
And the big one.
The way that I heard it was that it was 2 calves.
Yeah.
And the rest were adults.
They were so cute. They came right up to the pier that we were on, so the people that actually were like at the resort that had paid for the dolphin feeding, they came to the pier we were standing on just to see them, because they were like catching fish. Like, yeah,
we kind of got our own
span around
private show, right?
Yeah, it was so cool. And now we've been here by the creek that connects the ocean to the little lagoon.
Yeah, I think it's called Lagoon Inlet Creek or something.
Yeah, we'll have the location here. We wanted to do the Francois Perron National Park, but it's all 4x4.
Yeah.
Apart from one thing, but that's like you had to pay to like get in a hot tub or something.
Yeah, I think it's a tiny little hot tub.
Yeah, so if you have a 4x4, definitely check that out because it looks amazing. We're gonna, first of all, we're gonna go get some petrol, I think.
Yeah, and probably a shower.
And a shower. They have free showers here, which is great.
Yeah, there's a couple of places you can go get. I think they're all cold showers, but
yeah, but it's an indoor shower. That's more than Exmouth had.
we're just gonna see on our way back what stops we haven't done.
Okay guys, so we came into the town of Dunham, which is the closest town to Monkey Mia, to fill up, have a little shower. It was so nice, and then we filled everything up because we were really low on fuel. We tanked up the jerrys and everything, and then we went to go pull into a shop, and Susie was just like jumping and being really weird. Like, she doesn't normally feel like she's gonna die, so yeah, and then she just completely died, so we had to push her out of the side of the road. Out to the side of the road, and we tried again, she wouldn't start, and we were like, I was like, oh my god, what's happening? Must be something with the fuel, because we literally just filled up. So we called our go-to man Tony, of course, to see what the expert thinks the problem could be, and probably there was water in the fuel where we filled up. Tommy's just gone in to speak to them to say that there's probably water in your fuel because our car is acting really weird, and like it just came out of nowhere. Like, Susie's been perfect this whole trip, like touch wood, and thank you Susie for getting us so far, literally the other side of the country. So it was just weird for it to happen all of a sudden. So yeah, we've just been like driving, and then she's died, driving, died, so he just went in to speak to them, and he's come out. Don't know what that means.
He's pretty adamant that it's not the fuel.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
He's like, he tests it twice a day. He was just like, there's a mechanic at the top of Durlac Street, so we just got to take it there.
Okay guys, we'll update you later.
One eternity later.
We went to the mechanics about Susie's problem, but we think we figured it out, and fingers crossed she's good. We came down here to find Elephant Rock. We made our way all the way down this treacherous path, and I stubbed my toe. It's really beautiful. Even though we haven't found that gorgeous sunset spot, we're back from that crazy hike down to the Elephant Rock, which we couldn't find. But about the mechanics, there was a little bit of water that came out of the petrol and a little bit of dust, like dirty stuff. So they replaced the fuel filter for us, and they gave us a new jerry can because our jerry can was leaking.
Yeah.
And they were really nice.
Yeah,
and
shout out to Paul and Drew.
And yeah, we tried it out. The car was driving a lot better than before, because before it was just like jumping and then dying. And obviously the guy at the petrol station said it's not because of our petrol.
We have our very reliable mechanic, Tony, who we stay in contact with very regularly because we just want the best for our Susie.
Yeah.
And also he's a bit of a pro when it comes to travel in Australia. Yeah. But he said that it's probably water in the fuel if it just keeps going. And it starts again.
Yeah.
So we gave that a go, but wait, I need to get my facts straight. So then I went back to the fuel station, which you saw earlier, and he was just like, nah, check it twice a day, mate. Which I don't think it did, because there's definitely water in there. So took it to the mechanics, they replaced the fuel filter, flushed it out, but it's still kind of stopping and starting. Hopefully that's just a new fuel filter, like running the mill, getting filled and flushed and whatever.
We're still hearing some noises from her, but we've got faith in Susie that she's going to take us through this as well. But like,
and this final leg of the final bit of the first leg of our journey, we just planned today.
Yeah, we did. We won't tell you in this vlog where we're going to go next. Well, we're obviously heading south next, but we have actually booked a place to stay for a little bit to save up a little money. I'm gonna do a lot of this editing. I haven't really got to do much at all since being on the road, but yeah, get on our feet again.
Back on track, yeah. Have a little pit stop and then keep going for the south coast.
So you'll probably find out where that will be in the next vlog because yeah, we're leaving Shark Bay tomorrow probably.
2 hours later.
Oh.
Broken down. At least we have signal, but we're on the side of the road, not at a campsite. We just broke down out of nowhere. It was driving perfectly, and then yeah, and now we can't start it. We've been here for like half an hour trying to Tommy's been trying to suck the petrol out of the tank just because we think it's the petrol.
Well, I think it's the water in the petrol. Yeah.
So it's gonna be a fun night. We might just have to camp here. Not fun.
Just don't even know where we're gonna stay.
I feel like we're gonna have to stay here.
Well, we can't. It's on the roadside.
Later.
We've got our veggie bolognese in our pottery for the planet bowls. So yummy! It's a super quick, easy meal. Got the veggie. Well, it wasn't super quick because I forgot to put the mince in. So I had to do it separately afterwards. Let's eat.
Let's do it.
And try and forget our problems just for 5 minutes. If we can.
The next morning.
It's the next morning. We're in the same spot. Side of the road.
I'm not wearing these because it's cold. I'm wearing it because I'm trying to work on the engine.
Yeah, we've been here all night and it's been windy as a bad word. And
Windy is a bad
I
word.
was just awake all night, just hoping that the van wouldn't tip over. But yeah, we tried everything last night. Still got a few more things to try and we're hoping it will start. We've tried pushing it and this lovely lady drove up to the back of the van last night when Tommy was underneath trying to fix something, and I was like, oh no, I'm scared, here we go, Wolf Creek. But she was really sweet. Yeah, she was so sweet. She was like, oh, do you need anything? Can I help you? And she actually helped us push. So we were like a bit more off the road so we could sleep a bit more safely. And her name was Suzanne. So that's funny because
a bit serendipitous.
The van's called Susie and the lady that came to help us was Suzanne. So it's like, universe, what are you doing? Yeah, that was pretty special.
We just got checked out by the ranger just to make sure that we weren't camping. And he was a proper Welsh boy. Yeah, he was just checking that we weren't camping, and he was like, oh well, it could be a fuel problem, it could be an air problem, it could be a spark plug problem. And so I'm just trying to eliminate everything. Keep on going.
It's gonna be a long day. So this is future editing Becca, so I just wanted to let you guys know that if you've been following my Instagram and my last vlog, you'll know that my hard drive broke, which meant that I lost a lot of my main cam footage, the GoPro footage, so that's why this vlog is a little bit all over the place. You don't really get many shots like of the dolphin footage got lost, and like, yeah, probably when we were talking about our last visit to the mechanic, so we ended up having to get a tow, which luckily we were only like a 5-minute drive from the garage. Otherwise it would have been so much more expensive. I think we paid $50 just to get towed, like 5 minutes. And on the start of our journey we said we should get the roadside assist in our RAC membership, but we never ended up getting it, so we were kind of like kicking ourselves for not getting that. But yeah, luckily we were only 5 minutes away, so we ended up getting the tow there, and they ended up replacing, I'm gonna have to wait for Tommy to come back to let me know what they replaced because I can't remember.
The distributor.
The distributor, thank you. It was like so lucky and a miracle that they even had a part, because Susie's a 30-year-old van. Most of the old vans, they just get taken to the wreckers, so luckily there was a wreckers close that had the exact part that we needed, so they replaced that. We drove around for a while just to make sure she wouldn't break down again, and we decided to head to Jurien Bay because we had our sea lion tour booked in. So that's what you will be seeing in the next video. So I'm sorry if this video was a little bit jumpy, a little bit all over the place, not that much footage, but I just wanted to show you guys the reality of van life as well. Can be hard. Like, it's definitely a thing where there's high highs and low lows, because once a problem does pop up, you're kind of like forced to deal with it straight away. I know a lot of our videos just show like how nice and amazing van life is, and I want to show the ups and downs as well, because obviously there's going to be ups and downs. But yeah, what is a backpacker road trip without a breakdown? It's something that you kind of have to go through. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, even though it wasn't as fun as unusual vlogs. So please don't unsubscribe just because of this video, because there will be still some really cool content coming up in the next video. Like the sea lion dive was amazing. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Follow my socials if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.